Last example. Sine 2x equals 0.4, and this time I'm gonna keep working between 0 and 2 pi. Notice this time I'm using x. That's fine, it doesn't matter. The process is pretty much the same. But now we're dealing with 2x here. What we do doesn't change very much. I'm going to start by taking the inverse sine of 0.4. And I think my calculator earlier told me that was 0.412. And what do I do now? What I do now is I don't do anything different to what I did before. I still start with the ordinary sine curve, even though this question is about sine 2x. I'm still going to use the regular ordinary sine curve. This runs from pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi. I'm still interested in the ordinary curve. I'll show you why in a minute. We're interested in what happens at 0.4. So I've got solutions here, 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 here. And the calculator has told me that this distance here, this value, is 0.412. And so, using the symmetry of the curve in the same way as I did before, this value is pi minus 0.412. But now I'm also interested in these values, and the reason is that I'm looking for values here of 2x. All of these things are going to give me values of 2x. And so to finish the problem, I'm going to have to halve all of the things that I get. So in order to make sure that when I do the halving at the end, to make sure that I get back within this 0 to 2 pi range, I have to go all the way out to 4 pi to find my possible answers. So this answer here, and we're still symmetrical. This distance is the same as this distance, is the same as this distance. So that point there is 2 pi plus 0.412. And this point here is 3 pi minus 0.412. So I've still got the same sorts of symmetries going on, but this time I've got 4 possible values, and these are all values of 2x. So I've got 2x can be 0.412, pi minus 0.412, 2 pi plus 0.412. I've run out of room. If you've got room, keep going with a straight list, but I'll put the last one down here. 3 pi minus 0.412. So I've got 4 possible values of 2x. So, if you do the arithmetic there, I think you should get this. You should get 2x equals 0.412, 2.730, 6.695, and 9.013 are your possible values of 2x. And now what I'm going to do is halve all of them. All of these things are possibilities for 2x. So x just equals 0.412 over 2. And 2.730 over 2. 6.695 over 2. And 9.013 over 2. So to get my 4 possible solutions here, I halve them all, and I think that comes out to 0.206, 1.365, 3.348, and 4.507. These are all the solutions for sine 2x equals 0.4, 0 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 2 pi. That's what we were trying to do. And we've got 4 solutions, and they are all less than 2 pi, which is about 6.28. So that's how to solve trigonometric equations with the sine function in them.